Nor do you know how harmful UV rays can be for your child's skin. The sun, while essential for life, emits ultraviolet or UV radiation, an invisible threat that can harm our skin and eyes. There are two types of UV rays we need to be aware of: UVA and UVB. UVA rays penetrate deep into the skin, causing premature aging and wrinkles, and can even damage our eyes. UVB rays, on the other hand, are the culprits behind painful sunburns and can significantly increase the risk of skin cancer. Now, imagine the impact of these rays on a child's skin, which is thinner and far more delicate than an adult's. This makes children more susceptible to sunburn and UV damage. Even without sunburn, repeated exposure to UV rays can lead to premature aging and increase their risk of skin cancer later in life. Protecting your child from these invisible threats is vital, and that's where sun safety comes in. Sun safety involves a multi-pronged approach to ensure your little ones enjoy the outdoors without harm. Let's dive into the various strategies that can help keep your child safe under the sun. Firstly, seek shade. The sun is at its peak intensity between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. So whenever possible, plan outdoor activities in the shade. Trees, umbrellas, or pop-up tents can serve as excellent shelters. Secondly, never underestimate the power of sunscreen. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to shield against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply it liberally and evenly to all exposed skin about 15 minutes before heading outside. And remember to reapply every 2 hours or after swimming, sweating, or drying off with a towel. Areas like ears, nose, lips, and the tops of feet often get overlooked, so pay special attention to these spots. Next up, consider sun protective clothing. Dress your child in loose-fitting, lightweight garments made from tightly woven fabrics like cotton or linen. Clothes labeled with UPF, which stands for ultraviolet protection factor 50+, offer optimal protection. Don't forget a hat with a wide brim to shade the face, neck, and ears, and sunglasses that block 99% of UVA and UVB rays. Leading by example is an invaluable strategy. Your actions speak louder than words. Show your kids the importance of sun safety by practicing these measures yourself. Now let's touch upon age-specific sun safety tips. For babies under 6 months, it's best to keep them out of direct sunlight. Use a stroller shade or umbrella and dress them in lightweight protective clothing. For toddlers between 1 and 3 years old, vigilance is key. They're particularly active, so you'll need to reapply sunscreen frequently and choose activities with ample shade. Remember, the key to sun safety is consistency and making it a fun part of your child's routine. By incorporating these strategies into your family's outdoor routines, you can ensure your children enjoy the sunshine safely and create happy memories that last a lifetime. Sun safety doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be lots of fun. How, you might ask? Well, let's turn shade into an exciting adventure. Building a fort with blankets and chairs can create a magical kingdom that protects your little ones from the sun's rays. Water play is another great option. Splashing in a kiddie pool or playing with a sprinkler can offer a refreshing break from the heat, all while keeping them under the sun's radar. Now, let's not forget about those peak sun hours between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. This is the perfect time for indoor activities. Drawing, painting, reading, or even a good old-fashioned game of hide and seek can keep your kids entertained and safe from harmful UV rays. By incorporating these fun activities, you can ensure your child stays safe and enjoys their time in the sun. So we've covered a lot today about sun safety and protecting your child from harmful UV rays. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? We've learned that the sun emits two types of UV rays, UVA and UVB, both of which can cause harm. UVA rays penetrate deep, causing premature aging and potential eye damage, while UVB rays are the culprits behind sunburns and increased risk of skin cancer. We've also established why sun safety is crucial for kids. Their skin is thinner, more delicate, and hence more susceptible to sunburn and UV damage. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some solid strategies. Seeking shade during peak sun hours, religious use of broad-spectrum sunscreen, dressing your child in sun-protective clothing, and leading by example. Remember, sun safety is an ongoing practice, not a one-time event. By incorporating these strategies, you can ensure your child enjoys the sunshine safely.